What up, guys? In this video I want to give you a quick update about me using AutoDS. First of all, my name is Alexander. I'm full-time dropshipping on eBay UK. So if you are interested about dropshipping on eBay UK and the most up-to-date information, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that. So basically, I started using AutoDS. I transferred from DSM2 that I was like almost 3 years with them, and I just decided to stop using them because in those almost 3 years that I'm already in the drop shipping business, they almost didn't involve. Okay, they just like everything is almost the same. It looks the same, it feels the same, it does the same, and like it doesn't like help. It didn't improve. Okay, like you want like drop shipping is like changing in a monthly basis, so you want your tools that if it is a repricing tool that it will adjust with the market, with this business model. So they haven't for me, and also they had a lot of technical problems that my VAs always complain about it. And so yeah, I had also like a duplication problem on DSM, that my VAs were listing in duplications, and like in that point I just decided like heck, I need to go ahead and move to another software, because like this service, like the technical stuff, it's really bad. And also I'm not trying to like to say something bad about it, I just my personal experience. Okay, like the technical side was really weak, and the features almost didn't change any like from through the years, and it is like not making that much your life easier, and dropshipping is getting tougher, and they stayed like it is 2 years ago. So I decided to try out a new tool called AutoDS. If you want to also to register, sign up to this tool, you can sign up. I have a link in my description. Yes, it is an affiliate link. You don't want to sign up through this link, you can just type in autods.com and that's it. So basically what I love in this tool so far, that everything is super organized, and you can, because for me it's the same accounts, and they are all linked with my name and all the details the same thing. And I use like the same strategy and all of my accounts. So if I want to do like bulk changes with all of my accounts at one time, I can do that. I don't need to go to each different account to do the changes like I had in the DSM2. I think the other auto ordering is much more organized. Another cool thing that I really liked, that you can handle returns and cases from within AutoDS. You don't need to go to your eBay account and then upload a label or like refund the buyer. This is for me a huge thing, because I wanted to that my VAs will do the returns and cases. So, but I had to give them like an access to my accounts. So this is like lifesaver for me, and now I can just tell them to do that through AutoDS. So this is really a good thing that I think, and for me it's really helpful. And what else? Also, I think it is more organized. Like in your orders page, you can see everything detailed, like exactly like taxes, how much you paid, and also to put your order purchase ID on Amazon. Also for accounting stuff, it is much more convenient to do that. And yeah, so basically this, for me, that tool really improved improved my business and helped me to do things more automatically and more convenient, and they understand the drop shipping needs. So this is what I love about them, that they understand all the little things that the daily task and the little things that will improve your the way you use the software, your repricing tool, and will make your life easier. So for me, so far so good. I will still keep you posted. For now, I didn't have like any technical problems or repricing problems or something like that. Everything is good so far. Yeah, this is my update. So guys, if you're interested about videos about dropshipping on eBay UK, this is the channel for you guys. So please subscribe, hit the subscribe button now. Thank you for watching. Leave this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you.